discuss the role of the National Commission for Backward Classes in the wake of its transformation from a statutory body to a constitutional body. 150 words, 10 marks. Introduction. The National Commission for Backward Classes, NCBC, was originally established as a statutory body under the National Commission for Backward Classes Act, 1993. In 2018, it gained constitutional status through the 102nd Constitutional Amendment Act, becoming crucial for protecting the interests of socially and educationally backward classes in India. Body, evolution and expansion of NCBC, enhanced authority and status. As a constitutional body, the NCBC holds greater authority, equal to the National Commission for Scheduled Castes, NCSC, and National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, NCST. Investigating and monitoring ensures effective implementation of constitutional protections for backward classes. Inclusion and exclusion of communities, examines requests for adding or removing communities from the central list of other backward classes, OBCs. Advising the government, provides guidance on welfare issues, including supporting the 2019 decision for 10% reservation for economically weaker sections, EWS. Assisting in establishing a commission to examine subcategorization of OBCs. Redressal of grievances, can investigate complaints, summon officials, and protect the rights of backward classes. Periodic review and reports, submits regular reports to the President of India on the implementation of safeguards and welfare measures. Conclusion. With its expanded role and powers, the NCBC is better positioned to protect the rights and interests of backward classes, ensuring their representation and welfare in society.